what's up YouTube? We're on our way to the woods, bringing the pit bikes. Just gonna film some vids. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You got it. The Honda. The KTM. Nice. Let's go! Let's go!
Cool.
Got the Thors on. Looking pristine. With the dudes? Oh, you switching the dudes out for the boots? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Getting the bikes warmed up. Jack riding a dirt bike by himself is sketchy enough. First time riding a dirt bike.
Alright, hey, slow down.
Let her eat!
Hey, second gear, buddy.
The hang of it. Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Put him on the peg, dog! Tandem racing. Ow! Ow! Lit kit, bro. Here's a booter right here. It's so fun with a big bike, but with a 110, just doesn't quite make it. I've tried. We just had like a tandem bike race. That was insane. It was. Charlie was on the back with me. Cam was on the back of Carson's. We were hauling through there. I had to like shift with my heel. Popped her in a second. Charlie almost flew off the back.
Dude, someone's gotta take the pit bike down the stairs. Or little step down into the living room.
Yeah.
No.
Perfect.
Dude. Alright guys, so we're in the house. We're gonna try and see if a brick can go straight through a wall. Here we go. It's a piece of paper.
No, that is a nice clock.
She probably built that.
This probably was.
No one hit the clock.
It was a Christmas present.
It's a great horned owl. Dude, it's got a fresh AA battery in it. Well, should we go inside the house?
was insane. That was sick.
Oh, that hurt my lungs. And then there's one where you guys are all
sick.
You guys are all,
I think we set the house on fire.
Hey, what the?
Here's the damage.
This is my exhaust cover.
Came in this room.
oh, this is
Did some donuts.
Hey, what the? It could be my parts.
Carson's bike's just rattling apart.
Dude, that's actually probably the. Oh my gosh, it fits perfectly. Is it? Yeah, where's my other screw? It's not on the floor. It's in the spider web. You've got to be kidding me.
it.
Check out the gnarly burnout mark.
Went through the floor.
Dad told us not to break anything.
I have the fresh oven glass.
It still works.
Yeah, the thing was mint.
Fine. Yeah, that's.
Okay, George. You're very good. That worked.
Wake up. What's the stuff up there?
So it's pretty muddy to ride the track, but in our big bull turn right here that goes uphill, I was looking at this and I hit it. It's like, it could be a sick booter. Just shoot you right over there. Got this trusty shovel.
This thing's been here since the beginning of time.
Shape it up, see how it goes.
Oh my gosh. That's human remains.
Dang,
Oh my god.
poor guy.
Whoa!
Going out.
Well, try to make her up. New track.
We got a flat.
Look at that.
Oh, bummer.
Well, I was like trying to do like a wheelie and just like spinning out. Like, how do I get spinning out so bad?
I was doing wheelies.
I was doing wheelies just fine before you got on it.
Getting the Honda loaded up. Pristine load job, boys.
Here, what's it called on?
Oh, it's stuck. There you go. Control of the straps. We don't use straps. Slam that thing. There you go.
When he uses straps.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Got the pitters loaded up. Gonna wash them up and call it a day. So subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Some damage.
Holy crap.